Oh! Fuck you! Fuck off! Fucking cycle, man. I know my place. It's a nice bike, man. Oh mate, your shoelace is untied. And she is back. They have fixed the clutch. That was one expensive fucking rev bomb. Let me show you the bill. Yeah, $1 grand. That rev bomb cost me. So, she's got a brand new clutch now. There's one thing left to do. Let's test the clutch out. I can definitely feel it's a new clutch. Howdy! Nice bike! I am! Nice to meet you. You too, buddy! Oh, is the police pulled over the bus? There's some sort of scene here. Yeah, it's taped off. Some shit went down. That mirror's, the window's smashed on the bus on our right. Pedestrian, probably. That's a head mark. That's yeah, that's about head height. Yep. Somebody done had a bad day. I don't know which one to blame. Fucking pedestrians, buses, both was bad. Pedestrians more so in this part of town. Phone down, phone down. I repeat, phone down. Nope, I'm not stopping. Nope, 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 nope. Didn't hear it. My headphones blaring. Listening to rock music.
Kings. All hail the king. On your knees for the king of kings. There is only one.